بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين وصلى الله على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. Welcome back again. I have skipped this ayah and I've ordered the lessons now to be back in order in terms of the lesson number, but we had skipped this ayah, so we're doing this lesson only on this ayah because we had skipped it before. So this is ayah number 98 of Surat al Baqarah. We are here. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Do we have man? Man. This man is followed by the kaf here. So that's إخفاء. من كان كان عدوا. So this tanween fathatain aduwan normally would be aduwan, but because the lam here with the shadda instead of aduwan, the noon or the n sound is removed. Okay, becomes man kana aduwan lillahi. Okay, aduwan lillahi. So walillahi. Okay, slight note. Okay, aduwan lillahi wa malaikatihi. This extends the ha just slightly. وملائكته ورسله وجيب. This is a harf that is qalqala, slightly double it. جيب جبريل ورسله وجبريل. Ya with a sukoon. Okay, so جبريل وميكال فإن الله this is a noon with a shadda. فإن, this hamzatul wasl drops, goes straight into the lam here. فإن الله عدو. We have the same case here as earlier. عدو normally, but the lam here makes the just become a u, mixes with the lam, if that makes sense. عدو للكافرين عدو للكافرين. I just want to show you something here. In some transliterations of the Quran, you'll see that فَإِنَّ اللَّهَ, here's that point we're making, عَدُوٌ. You see here, it took out the N, right? عَدُوٌ لِلْكَافِرِينَ. Do you see that? عَدُوٌ, not عَدُوٌ, which is the original. عَدُوٌ لِلْكَافِرِينَ. Okay? So we had skipped that and we now covered it. Jazakumullah khair for watching. We'll have another lesson up soon, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.